Hello friends, welcome to Creatively Made in Home. I am Sheetal Pathak here and this is one of the Christmas decoration series. Today we are gonna see how to make this beautiful lollipops, Christmas lollipops. For this project we are gonna use little bit of red color yarn, white color yarn, off-white or beige color yarn. You can use any thickness, any weight yarn. Here I am using medium worsted 3, so I am using size E, that is 3.5 mm crochet hook with it, but you can use any thickness yarn and suitable hook according to your yarn. Then here I am gonna use this glue stick. This is 7 mm glue stick, not thick, and for the lollipop stick, as a lollipop stick insert. But instead of that you can use some stuffing material or some small broken pencil also. So let's get started. Let's start with the red color yarn. First take the red color yarn and make a slip knot. Then let's make 100 chains here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are my 100 chains. Now starting from the third chain from the hook, so skip first and second chain, and from the third chain we'll make 1 half double crochet in each chain. So take the yarn over, skip first 2 chains, go in the third chain, pull the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, pull yarn through all 3 loops. So this is half double crochet. We'll make similarly 1 in each chain. To the next chain, half double crochet, next half double crochet, like this till work till the end. So this is my half double crochet row. I have cut the yarn and then we'll hide these tail ends. Now take the white color yarn, again make a slip knot, and with this we'll make 80 chains. And similar like red color yarn, skipping the first 2 chains, we'll make 1 half double crochet in remaining 78 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here my red and white both straps are ready. This white strap is almost 40 centimeter long, whereas this red strap is 50 centimeter long. Now take the beige color yarn and make a magic ring. Make 1 chain, and in this magic ring I will make 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are my 9 single crochet. Pull the tail yarn so that the loop will get tightened. Now here we will not complete the round, we will be just working in the spirals so that we will get a tube like structure. So in the first stitch I will insert my hook and start making 1 single crochet in each. So we will keep working round and round and down in spiral, 1 single crochet in each stitch. So here I have completed 2 rounds. Now for my this 7 mm almost glue stick, this size is perfect, 9 stitches. But if you are using thicker glue stick, or if you are using thicker pencil or something, after making couple of rounds, check whether your size is, the number of stitches are enough to cover that thing, or increase the number of stitches as per your stuffing thing. So I'll go ahead and make a long tube with this 9 single crochet. This glue stick is 30 centimeter long. I need half of it, so I'm gonna cut it into 2 pieces. Here is my spiral tube. I'll insert it and check how much more do I need. I need few more rounds. So my glue stick is fully covering here, and I have one row over it. So that much you make your this spiral pipe. Then take the long tail end and cut the yarn. Take the tapestry needle, insert it, now go in the only outside loop of each stitch. This is the outside loop, this is the inside loop. Go only in the outside loop of each stitch like this. And when you complete the circle, pull it, so all stitches will come together and it will close the mouth. Then hide the tail yarn and cut the remaining yarn. Now my this lollipop stick and these two red and white color bands are ready. Now you have two options. Either you can stick them together or you can glue it. I am using a fabric silicone glue. Now how to stitch them or connect them together is like this. See, we have this chains, top chains on both the bands, that should come inside. We should see the chains like this, and this is the wrong side. So you can see the beautiful chains. This will be our front side of the lollipop. This is the back side. So to get that, these both chains should be facing each other. So hold the right side, that where we work the half double crochet of red side facing towards you, and this opposite side, right side, on the back side of it. So this chain and this chain both are facing together. Leave little bit of portion like this. Take your glue or start sewing there. Put little bit of glue here. Then connect the white one. There should be little bit of portion of the red one, so that we can roll it over this like this. To hold it for some time, it takes little few seconds to dry. Then slowly start putting the glue on the red one. Connect the white on that. Simultaneously put on this and start rolling over that. If you see extra yarn and all, put it inside so it will get hidden. Give little bit of stretch and then fix it. Similarly put on white and put little bit stretch to the red one and roll it over the white like this. You have to hold it for few seconds so it dries. Then go to the next portion. Like this, slowly you can stitch or you can stick with the glue. Once this is dried, then again this stick you can stitch it to the your lollipop or we can glue it. So almost from the center, almost half from this circle, and this portion should come down, so we have to stick it like that. So keep it like this so we know how much glue to apply. And from this tip in the straight line till this point you apply glue. And then slowly press it. Make sure it's straight. Hold it for some time, so let the glue dry properly. And our beautiful lollipops are ready. You can hang it on the Christmas tree. They look beautiful. Aren't they adorable? Please let me know in the comments how you liked it. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will get the future notifications. I am coming with few more Christmas decoration project very soon, so keep an eye on Creatively Made in Home channel. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.